Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And today we're going to be talking about USDT Zero. I'm going to be listening to Hugo talk about it in a short clip of an interview and why it's so special for the vision, for executing the vision of Flare 2.0. If you didn't know, USDT Zero is a stablecoin that is natively issued on the Flare network, and it really is a revolution because it is omni-chain, which means that it is able to be integrated or transferred, to other compatible networks. You can also move it without any gas fees, and it's already integrated into some of the biggest DeFi applications on the Flare network. Really attractive RFLR rewards. But let's jump into Hugo talking about USDT Zero's integration with Flare.
So USDT Zero is effectively an interoperability protocol that is built for Tether, and is powered by Layer 0. And effectively, I think, I'd be so bold as to say it's basically the new version of Tether in terms of how how Tether is expanding across chains.
Okay.
Looks to me like they're doing it heavily through USDT Zero. And really the critical reason we went for USDT Zero, it's two critical reasons. One, it's highly interoperable, so you can move it across chains from Flare to Arbitrum to, I think, Corn, and they're building out very, very quickly across many chains. The critical thing for us was we wouldn't have done that because we already had Stargate USDT. That's fairly interoperable, but we didn't, that wasn't sufficient to get us over the line. Also, it's supported by exchanges. So it's not just that, this is a form of interoperable USDT that is great for DeFi. It's also that people can basically use it as if it was Tether, meaning that they can deposit their Tether in Tether on whatever chain supports Tether, but they can deposit their Tether as USDT Zero seamlessly on Flare.
Now, on the topic of seamless interoperability, USDT Zero, of course, on the Flare network, has now actually just been integrated with the Kraken exchange. This is huge news for anyone that is participating on DeFi on the Flare network. It allows you to directly deposit USDT Zero from the Flare network to Kraken exchange. And this is the first on-off protocol for a stablecoin on Flare. This will massively benefit the adoption rate for users of Flare because we don't have to bridge via other networks such as Ethereum first. And it also allows you to go the other way too, where you can withdraw USDT directly to the Flare network, which is essential for building that total value locked on the network. So that is today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.